Welcome to the Copper Queen Library. Today, in our alphabet adventure, we're going to go to the farm and see some plants. Farm. F-A-R-M. And since we're down here, the first thing we need when we farm is some earth. And we dig the earth. Then the most important is a seed. So we put a seed into the earth. Can you be a seed with me? Let's curl up like a little seed. And now in order to grow, we need to have some elements of nature. First, we need the sun. Let's be the sun. And the sun can whirl around and it shines on our seed and our seed gets healthy and our seed will begin to grow. So here we are, a nice little seed, and the sun shines and warms us, so we begin to grow a little bit. Not too much, because we need another element. We need some water. And water comes from the rain. So the rain comes down on our beautiful seed. And whoa, yes, rain. Rain with me. Oh, you're doing such a great job. I can see how wonderful our seed is growing. So here we are. First, a tiny seed, and then the sun warms us, and the rain comes down, and we begin to grow shoots. And our shoots have leaves. What will we turn into? Perhaps a turnip. Turnips grow in the ground, but its leaves show above the ground. So here we are in the ground and our leaves are up. And what makes our leaves move? The wind. Have a little wind. And the wind comes in and it blows our leaves and it plays with our leaves, moving them around and around and back and forth. Oh. How wonderful. So here we are. First, a little seed. And then we have sun. We get larger and rain and wind and our vines and our leaves. And we begin to move about, all about the farm. We can grow into corn. We can grow into a tomato or a potato, a yam. Yam is a good word. Yam is Y-A-M. I like yams, and I like to spell yam. Do you like to spell your favorite fruits and vegetables? I know you do. So here we are. We've grown from our seed up, and then the farmer picks us, and up we go, off to market, and perhaps onto your table, maybe for dinner or lunch or even breakfast. You might have a carrot for a snack during the day. Very good. Well, now we know how to grow seeds. Do you know that the Copper Queen Library has a seed library? And you can take out seeds and grow your very own garden and plants. And then you can harvest those seeds, bring them back to the library, and grow more. And other people can grow what you grew. So much fun. All right. Let's watch the plants grow, and you have a great day on the farm. Thank you for joining us at Copper Queen Library. If you like us, give us a thumbs up or a carrot and corn. And see you next time. Bye.